Congratulations and being elected as the president of IEEMA. So what will be your primary objectives to achieve?
I'm extremely happy and proud to be elected as the president and nominated as well. And there is a huge expectation of multiplying exports for our sector from 10 billion currently by 5 times over the next 5 years or so. So a lot of effort is being done through the IEEMA and the IoT, and the bulk of our membership is medium and small scale, So we want to help assist them in becoming, ready and capable to meet with the requirements of the opportunities for overseas requirements. Coupled with that, we have a very prestigious and very successful platform, IEEMA. So we are wanting to globalize the brand IEEMA. Everybody knows IEEMA. It's been, in fact, sometimes it becomes larger than IEEMA itself, which is phenomenal. Now we want to encash on this brand's credibility by taking it overseas. So a lot of work is being done to make the brand IEEMA a name synonymous with power in overseas markets itself, whilst it is over here, in the same light. We'll keep continuing to work very closely with governments and assist them in making solutions and providing solutions and platforms and capability in keeping with the government's objectives. And now it is extremely critical because we are on path of becoming one of the largest economies of the world, and hence, in order to become that, a power sector which has to play a very critical, integral role in that, we are, completely committed to aligning with, policy makers and making policy and aligning with them to ensure that that happens here. IEEMA is a body which is headed by a Director General, and they have all the freedom. They are autonomous. They have a IoT in place, that is all the officials of the IEEMA, and we have decided that we want to strengthen their capability and processes by bringing OD intervention in. So our human resources, which is our human capital, we want to strengthen it, make it more efficient, make it more capable in keeping with the objectives. So these are some of the plans which I would mention in nutshell.
So talking about the policy advocacy, what you are talking right now, how favorable are the policies as of now, and especially when you talk about anti-dumping duties and all?
No, all the policies are extremely, extremely favorable. We've been working very closely with the Ministry of Power. We're working closely with Ministry of Commerce, and they're very, very encouraging. When we meet with them, they come up with solutions, immediately. There is no, there's no bureaucratic issues, there is complete transparency. The complete focus and goal and objective is how to contribute to the growth of the economy, and whatever requirements are there in the interest of the economy, that is for, for quality, for growth, for compliances, and whatever support we need from the government in ensuring that they are giving us completely.
So like IEEMA has grown manifold, and RBSM, and whatever the MOUs have been signed so far, are these really giving results on ground?
Of course, because see, these are RBSMs are actually real physical interactions between actual buyers and sellers. So we are creating that platform. At the last IEEMA, we had participation from almost about 80 countries, and also we got participation from new countries like Australia, US as well, who historically had not participated. So these platforms, RBSM and all, where actual there's an introduction. It's everything. The first introduction is very critical. So actual buyers and sellers, they physically meet, they understand each other, and they also at that time sign off potential contracts, MOUs, which are in billions of dollars actually. Now many of them, of course, have to be converted into actual transactional value, and that happens over a period of time. But we can see a lot of things happening now RBSM is substantially funded also by the Ministry of Commerce. Again, we're talking about support from the government, so they are giving a lot of concessions. They're funding us, they are giving us grants for that. And because of the success of RBSM now in IEEMA, we are adding it as an independent model in other exhibition. Or distributing is going to happen in Mumbai,
right,
in January. So RBSM is being put in place there, and then we'll continue various other forums as well. So continuous interaction will be there to attract buyers from overseas, interact with sellers in India, so and thereby facilitate trade, and make business happen.
How big the next IEEMA is going to be?
So the success, we believe, is because we got a huge response, largest participation from membership, largest participation from overseas customers, success of RBSM, success of DBSM, which is the domestic buyer sellers meet, success from a lot of diversified industries. We got defense, we got startup challenge in place, so many, and the Ministry of Power had a CEO roundtable in place actually, so which way was very, very open, and very proactive, a lot of questions, solutions, given immediately and all that stuff. So it was really huge. So I mean, we have achieved the largest revenue in IEEMA the last year of crossing 100 crores. And also we made the largest ever profit as well. Of course, our objective is not to do that, but this was a result out of that. Our major objective is to ensure the welfare of the industry. So when you ask me how big the next IEEMA is going to be, IEEMA has always got bigger, and I'm sure that we'll put leadership in place for the next IEEMA, and I'm sure that with these changing times, with these changing opportunities, the next IEEMA will bring in definitely many more flavors. It'll be definitely bigger than the last one, and it'll keep on growing bigger and bigger as we go on. Right.
Thank you so much, sir. Wish you all the best for your success or tenure at IEEMA President. Thanks so much.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.